Hello everyone, in today's video I will unbox Makita cordless driver drill 12V max lithium ion CST, and this is the code number DF333DSAP1. Okay, we unbox together. This is the bag, easy to carry, portable and small. Okay, Makita lithium ion. Okay, yeah, together. Okay, yes. The battery 12V max. One battery can use all of this. Can use with the drill, driver drill, impact driver, rotary hammer, angle drill, angle impact driver, angle impact wrench, and this is the grass trimmer, and jigsaw pressing, and this is lower laser, rechargeable laser, and this is a fan jacket, case, fan, vacuum cleaner, light. And this is instruction manual to cordless driver drill DF33D and DF033D. Okay, you can see this one 10mm for steel mag and volt 21. Okay, and this one is a switch, low and high, and net weight is the 1.2 kilogram. Okay, this is the warranty card. Okay, this one the battery 12V max 2.0 ampere. Okay, lithium ion, and the back is BL1021B. Okay. This is the charger. We call a fast charger. Have the fan inside to cool down the battery from this hole. Okay, this hole, and cool down the battery. And this is an indicator. Okay, we insert it. Okay, and then we see this is the LED red, green, and yellow to indicate each situation. And this is the C10SB. Okay, and then this is the hole for hang up. Okay. And this is the 2N screwdriver. Insert here. Okay, and then we insert the battery. Okay, two specialization. One speed is slow, fast. Okay, this is clutch for set the torque 21 clutch setter, and the max torque, this one is a 28 Newton meter. For this one we divide for number 1 is 1.4 Newton meters. Okay, and this is a function drill. Okay, this is drill for drill. We select. This is the hole and drill. We can drill wood, drill steel, anything. Okay. Okay, and this is model DF33D 10 mm 10.8V, and this one is a 12V max. Okay, LED bill job light, and this one key light for guide the drill bit, screwdriver bit, everything, and this is hook for hang with the bell. Okay, so all of this in DF333DSAP1 you can buy in Cambodia. I speak English because many guys comment in the YouTube that want me to show in English, so I have one channel, my Power Tool, to speak Khmer, and this channel Power Tool You to speak English for foreigner that want to know about the Makita unboxing or using or whatever related with the Makita product. Sorry for inconvenience. My English not good for you enough. Bye bye.